Yellow. Yellow.
It's yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is yellow. Good job.
Another one.
Another one?
Yeah.
Good job. What color is that one? What color is it?
Another.
Yep.
Yellow. Yellow.
Is it yellow?
Yeah.
Good. Natalie, whose house are we at? Natalie, where are we? In there?
Yeah.
Whose house are we at right now?
Up.
What? It's up there?
Up.
Thank you. Yellow one? How does it smell? Oh, wow, you have a whole pile of yellow flowers.
Yeah, she does.
Daddy's going to get mad at you.
Really?
Where are you pulling those from?
Way over there. She's going all the way over there. And then coming back.
Just smell them, please. Don't pick them. Oh, my gosh. She's destroyed it. That's cool.
I didn't know she wasn't supposed to do that.
It's all good. Having fun. I put Natalie.
Oh, cool. Thanks. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. What are you doing? What? Stroller? Where's your baby that's supposed to go in there? Natalie, where's your baby for that stroller? Stroller? Where's the baby?
I know.
Where is it? I'll have to get it later. Can you girls hug?